Well, this is a simple demo to show the creation of an address locator inside a folder. That's because ArcGIS 10.5 rather will not support keeping the address locator inside the GDB, so you cannot do that. So this is using tutorial 8.1 in page 286, right? And in this, I have in here tutorial 8.1 already open, and in this folder up there, I am showing you inside the ESRI Press GIST1 my exercises chapter 8, and in there I have the GDB, which is initially empty, and I already saved tutorial 8.1 in here. So according to the instructions on page 287, for the creation of address locator, it says that we should come to this GDB and then right click and then go to new, and in the pop-up extended menu there will not be new address locator. We cannot do that. So instead of that, what we want to do is to create inside the folder where the GDB is and the MXD is. So we instead come to here, the folder above that, right click and choose new, and now in the pop-up extension I have address locator. So I click on that and it will take a little while, and it will bring up the create address locator window. Right, in here I would set up the details accordingly. So for example, the first one, the address locator style for tutorial 8.1, it will bring me to the library when I click on this, and we should choose US address 5-digit zip, which is this one, right? And then I say OK. So it would have selected that and put it in. It says the error warning. It's still a problem with address locator. Don't worry about it. You can dismiss it if you want, but keep it there. It's up to you, right? So I set up the address locator, and then I have to refer to our reference data. You can either go out, or now because the map layer for that reference data is already in here, is the zip code map of Pennsylvania, the PA zip. So we can select it here. So once it's selected, it gets in there. The way this works is that there may be more than one reference data set. If you have more, you can get more, and it will be included here. Okay, so we have only one, and that's enough. And now, according to that map, the attribute data of that map setup, we pick up all the columns, all the fields inside that table, and the ones that we need are the ones that we have here. We just need the zip code and the post office name. We don't actually need it, just the zip code. That will do. The other one says none. The book will not match this, so we are all done. This is set up properly, and now we need to make sure, scroll down. This is where sometimes we miss. Make sure that we see that's the name. See, now the output is the address locator is in here. So I would rather remove all this name and just call it PA zip. What does it say? Call it PA zip. Just that would do. So remove all of that. So it would create an address locator inside this folder, and it would be called PAZip.LOX, I believe. And so I say OK. It takes a little while. Make sure that you wait for this to come to finish, and you'll get a green check mark at the bottom of your screen. It came up for me. We did not see in this screen capture, but now we see that 3 files appear here in the folder. They are called PAZip.LOC and then .xml and LOX, but they are actually collection of one file, a collection of files for one address locator. So in the catalog window, it appears as only one, so that we can deal with it as only one. For the assignment 6, I encourage you to create a folder here and then put all 3 files inside that. So that means what we need to do is create a folder and then create the address locator inside the folder. Okay, so that's there, and you can proceed on with the work of tutorial 8.1 here. I hope that helps. Let me save this, and that's all.